charging port here. Now I'm going to use moisture control. After that the system will be clear. Yes, there actually no water, only oil. Because of that, nothing to worry. Yeah, it is 100% water not sucking from there. Because of that, nothing to worry. If it is any moisture, any water drop, enough for the block the system. Because of that, I clean already. You can see here only the oil. We will fix with we will fill little bit liquid gas. After that it will clear all. Now dear friends, now I clean the system. Now I can join this part. This one metal and copper I have to weld. Yes dear, it will come like that. You can see here it is. I have to weld here. Now I'm going to soldering here this 2 point. Now I already system clean. It's no water inside. Also if it is having, also it came out all. That one also done already. Now you can see here, this welding, it is 100% okay. You can see here. But while you are going to joint like this, keep it thickness hard, good quarter or 3/8 because while you are going to heating at the same time, it's chance to burn, because this is actually very good copper tube, copper pipe. It is thickness is very high. It is like a hard pipe. That's why I use for this. Now we can, here we can do something, paint or something, otherwise it will get corrode again because of that. I will check leaking, but no any leak. This look like it's very good welding. Anyway, I will make the paint here. Now after join evaporator pipe, now we can check here any blockage or something. You can see here, dear friends. You can see here, this one also coming, also here. Both capillaries are working, no any block. Definitely you have to check if it is blocked. You have to make sure it is no any blockage. Here you can see here, still having oil. Now dear friends, I am going to fix another half pipe for the discharge line. Yes, after that I can dry filter. It is easy with the copper because of that. Now it's okay. Now also we can check after starting compressor this line block or not. Everything step by step we have to make sure. Yes dear, no issue, no any blockage. Compressor start already, but don't keep compressor start, because it is moisture chance to go inside because of that. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix this solenoid valve. I have to fix this one. This one actually 516 size. Because of that, if I'm making here capillary size, it will freeze here. Because of that, what I have to do, I am going to fix this 316 to here like that. After that, it will be okay. We have to think about that also. Now I have to fix here like that. What I'm going to do here, the dry filter, with the dry filter I'm not fixing this one, because here will freeze. Because of that, here also I'm going to fix quarter pipe also with the filter. It will come like that. This one while you are going to change the removing, keep it marked. Something I already kept the mark. If this both will get changed, after that it's problem. Because of that, capillary you have to mark before fixing. I already marked here, but now I'm going to fix this one. We have to keep little bit up, otherwise it will go here. Now dear friends, I already joined wall and capillary, both capillary. Now it will come like that, you can see here. Now we can check it is capillary, our welding blockage or not. While starting compressor we can check again. I'm giving power to the fridge. Also I'm removing here, which is I fixed charging valve. After compressor starting, we can check. Compressor already got start. Yes dear, no any blockage my welding. Yes. Now it's okay. Now I have to remove again here, and we have to re-weld again to the compressor. After that I have to vacuum and regas charge. I have to fix internally all the accessories. That's it. After that my job I can complete. Now I'm going to recharge the gas. I have to vacuum. After that I will recharge. Until vacuuming I have to fix all inside freezer side. Okay. Now it's okay. I have to clean after finish my job. Now here dear, I'm going to remove again this one. I have to paint something here because it will come again corrosion. Because this is metal pipe, I will make white paint here. Here clean. Yeah, so many things are here. Because of that I have to clean properly. Now dear, it is already vacuum. You can see here it is came minus. It is came minus 10. Now I can fill up gas. it is butane 600a gas. We have to top up 100 gram. Here it is 110 grams we have to pop up. After that it will be okay. Now I'm going to measure and fill up the gas. Now it's okay dear, I already refilling gas. Now we can check it is whether leaking or not, or the welding points. With the sabun I can check now. Now gas, yes, it is gas taken to the system. I can check here, but no any leakage. Compressor already start. We can check here our welding point, major point also, but no any leakage. It is make sure again. Now I have to refix. Yes, it's making cool now. Fridge will work properly now without any problem. Now we can fix this duct, assemble also. This cover also we can fix now. My job almost finished now. We have to fix properly. Now I can fix screw also. Just here I have to close this one. Now we will wait some time. After that we can feel cool. Also backside earthing wire, why I already removed that one also. I can just here it is warming discharge line. Now it will make very good cool because no leaking again. I already filled the gas, everything. Fridge is working fine. It's making very good cool. Both sides is making cool. My job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.